So there's a tropical storm detected off the southern coast of Baja California Sur. It's not that crazy out here, but the wind's picking up. You can definitely tell. All right, guys. So we're walking around in this. It's freaking crazy. We're headed back to the hotel now. We're probably gonna go try to pick up the car, maybe go get some food, and see if we can check in early to our next Airbnb. Look at this. Shit almost came out of nowhere. Like it was like a little ugly this morning, but then it was like calm while we were walking around. Then we went to go get some pesos, like exchange, and we walked back out into this. It really just like got crazy out of nowhere. We got a couple more blocks till we get to the hotel, and then we're gonna see if we can just pick up the car from there though and go to the Airbnb from there. I think it'll be alright. So we're gonna go walk and see what McDonald's here in Cabo has. The marina is pretty much shut down. Most of the restaurants and stuff are all like closed up, getting ready for the storm. It's crazy. It took me by surprise yesterday when we seen that like all of them were closing up and like wrapping everything up. And then I kind of asked him what happened. He's like, we're getting ready for the hurricane. And what the fuck? I don't know. It was crazy. McDonald's in Mexico, just a Big Mac meal, pretty simple. Had to get some ketchup for the burger. This is the whole pad we rented, 3 stories. Here's the first one, like the living room kitchen area. The second floor is like the bedroom. The third floor is like the outside. Here's the third floor. It's pouring today though, obviously. I think there's like the little smoking area. That's freaking awesome. There's like a hangout area. Gotta figure out how to turn these lights on. So we're here just trying to pass time, waiting for our plane. Look at this. We're over here like in this little shopping center. Look at this view from over here. So we just dropped off our rental car. We're about to head back to Seattle now from Cabo. I'm excited to like get this on the road, hop on the plane, see some more stuff in Seattle, get back to America. You know what it is. I'm so excited. Getting ready to go through TSA. Our flight got delayed because of the hurricane. It's insane, dude. Here we come. The departures and how many flights that were delayed and how many that were canceled and stuff, and I started to like pull out my camera and they're all, hey, you're not allowed to record here or whatever. I'm all, dang, it's crazy. So all of them are canceled besides ours, and then for American and United, they're doing last call, and then Delta, it's rescheduled. Come on. So we're currently here sitting in the food court waiting for like the next 2 hours to pass because our plane won't be here for like 2 more hours. Probably gonna go see what we can find over here as far as food. We'll hang out for a little while and see what we can do. So I'm left with the ultimate question on what to get to eat. Subway, Sparrows, Panda Express, or Carl's Jr. What would you choose?